Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to set up a Python virtual environment. In practice, after installing Python and starting a new project, we need to create a dedicated virtual environment. This ensures that the packages you install via pip stay isolated in that environment, working independently without causing conflicts with your other projects. To kick off a Python project, I'll create a folder named Project1. This folder will hold our project's code, and we'll create a virtual environment right inside it. To create a virtual environment on macOS, open your terminal app and then use the cd command to navigate to your project folder. Next, type the command python3-m venv, followed by the name of your virtual environment folder at the end. This calls Python's venv module to initialize the environment. Usually, developers will add a dot before the folder name to hide it, which also makes it automatically ignored when pushing code to GitHub. You can name it whatever you like, but following the standard, I'll name it .venv. After running that command, let's open Finder. Inside the Project1 folder, if you don't see the hidden folder yet, just press Shift-Command-. Inside the folder we just created, you'll find a bin directory containing links to Python and pip3. There's also a lib directory that will hold the packages you'll install later. To activate and access the inside of the virtual environment, we use the source command, followed by the path to the activate file located in the bin folder. You'll know you've successfully entered the virtual environment when your command prompt has the environment's name right at the beginning. From here, you can start installing packages for your project using the pip command. For example, I'll use pip3 to install the pandas package. Once the installation is complete, if you check inside the lib, Python, and site packages folders, you'll see the pandas package has appeared. Let's try installing another package, PyMySQL, which is used for database connections. It will also be placed right in that same site packages folder. Finally, to start coding, create a Python file in the Project1 folder. For instance, I'll create a file named test.py. You can open this file using Visual Studio Code to start programming. To execute the file inside the virtual environment, simply type the python3 command followed by your file name. And when you want to exit the virtual environment, just type the deactivate command. Thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one.